Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to say thanks to our God Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has given us mercy and blessing, and then respectable to Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM, respectable to Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab MAG as Director of Zainul Hasan Islamic University, respectable to Mr. Zainuddin as a lecturer of public speaking class. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tarisa Sabdiana, student of English Education Department of Zainul Hasan Islamic University. Here I will explain about the method of presenting speech. There are four methods. The first method is the manuscript method. Manuscript method is a method that is done by creating and reading a prepared script when you want to deliver a speech. There are strengths and weaknesses. The first strength is that all the speaker's wishes will be uttered smoothly. No repetition occurs, and the weakness is less communicative because the speaker only briefly look at the listener. Repetition and the weakness is that it is less communicative because the speaker only briefly look at the listener. The second method is the memorization method, which is a continuation of the previous techniques. The script that has been prepared is not discussion but memorized first, then spoken on the occasion of the speech. There are also strengths and weaknesses. The first strength is that it is smoothly delivered if completely memorized, and the weakness is that the speaker tends to speak quickly without appreciation. The third method is the spontaneity method, which is different from the previous two methods. The speaker does not deliver the script, or do not prepare the script, or do not read the script. The speaker only thinks about what he wants to say. There are also strengths and weaknesses. The first strength is that this method is more interesting if the delivery uses a lot of improvisation. The first weakness is that it is not smooth or can even be chaotic if it is a beginner speaker. And the last method is the method of outlining the framework. The speaker first prepares the main points of the speech content, then compiles them in the form of a speech outline. The form of a speech outline. In addition, the speaker writes special notes that are needed in the speech, for example, record, phrases, laws, data, number that are difficult to remember. There are also strengths and weaknesses. The first strength is that the subject matter and content of the speech are unforgettable. The first weakness is that the heads are less free because then they are holding the paper, and the second weakness is that the speech is less prepared. Impression of lack of preparation because often look at notes. I think enough from me. If there are many mistakes, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.